The correct floor mat may make all the difference, and maintaining a clean garage doesn't have to be difficult. Today we're comparing the best garage floor coverings made to shield your floors from spills, dirt, and common messes, from large waterproof solutions to heavy-duty oil spill mats. These mats have non-slip surfaces and easy-to-clean patterns that make life much easier, whether you're doing auto maintenance, parking motorcycles, or just trying to keep your garage neat. Stay tuned as we explore each mat's characteristics, benefits, and drawbacks to help you choose the ideal mat for your area. Remember to click the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss our best home improvement recommendations. Number 7. Fluxinara Heavy-Duty Oil Spill Mat. The Fluxinara Heavy-Duty Oil Spill Mat is a good option if you want to keep your garage floor safe and clean. This mat, which is around 63 by 31 inches and 1/5 inch thick, is ideal for any vehicle maintenance or oil changes because it is made to swiftly catch dirt, oil drips, and other debris. Cleaning is simple. You can hose it down or use soapy water and let it air dry. Its top layer of polyester fiber is remarkably absorbent, absorbing both water and oil. The sturdy TPR rubber backing is one notable characteristic. In addition to keeping water and oil from getting to your floor, it firmly clings to the floor, keeping the mat from slipping even when things get a bit dirty. It is perfect for both inside garages and outdoor areas because it is heat resistant and doesn't easily melt or crack. Its 2.8-pound weight helps it stay in place even in windy circumstances, which is especially useful when using it outside. Additionally, the mat can be used under cars, motorbikes, lawn equipment, appliances, and even golf carts. It can be cut to fit various locations. On the other hand, although being heavy-duty, it may seem a little heavy to store if there isn't much room, and its dark hue may conceal little spills until they are completely absorbed. All things considered, it's a useful, reusable option for anyone who wishes to shield flooring from car accidents without having to worry about cleaning up all the time. Number 6. Panda Room Oversized Garage Mat. If maintaining a clean garage floor seems like an endless struggle, the Panda Room Oversized Garage Mat can help. This mat's roomy dimensions of 7.4 by 8.4 feet offer ample protection for cars, motorcycles, golf carts, and even bigger recreational vehicles. The non-slip PVC backing keeps it securely in place, while the flat-woven polyester surface is made to absorb spills and messes from coolant and oil to water and other liquids. As a result, you won't have to be concerned about it moving around or allowing liquids to seep through and harm your floor. This mat's versatility is one of its best features. In addition to cars, it works flawlessly under trash cans, appliances, gardening tools, and lawn equipment. Basically, anywhere you want to avoid stains or moisture damage. Like a typical carpet, cleaning is very easy. Simply vacuum, hose it down, or spot clean as needed. The mat is heavy enough to keep in place, but when it's fully spread out, it can feel heavy and a little bit difficult to move. It can also conceal minor spills until they are completely absorbed because of its darker gray color. Notwithstanding these small peculiarities, it's a useful, long-lasting technique to maintain your driveway, garage, or maintenance area tidy and safe. This mat makes automobile maintenance less of a bother and more of a hassle-free routine if you're sick of oil stains or water puddles building up beneath your vehicle. Number 5. Vevor Containment Mat. The Vevor Containment Mat is a great option if you want to keep your garage immaculate regardless of the weather. Its enormous size of 7 feet 9 inches by 18 feet makes it ideal for covering small cars, but it can also fit trucks and SUVs. The mat is constructed to withstand heavy use without tearing because it is made of sturdy, wear-resistant PVC. The thickened 1.18-inch edges are a clever touch. They prevent spills from leaking over, keeping oil, rain, snow, and mud safely contained. Its waterproof non-slip surface, which keeps your car clean while the mat shields the floor underneath, is one of its best qualities. It is surprisingly easy to install. Hook and loop tapes hold the mat firmly in place, and you don't need any equipment to put it up or relocate it. Cleaning is also simple. The accompanying squeegee broom makes it quick and easy to remove dirt and debris, saving time and effort. And the smooth PVC surface washes clean with ease. However, some users may find that the mat is heavy and difficult to handle due to its bulk, and its stiff PVC material may seem less flexible than mats made of cotton. Furthermore, even though it is excellent at retaining liquids, pooling water will need to be wiped away because it has no absorbency. All things considered, it's a very useful option for anyone looking to prevent problems in their garage while simplifying and speeding up cleanup. Number 4. Sipstra's Oil Spill Mat. The Sipstra's Oil Spill Mat is made to make car maintenance less stressful if you're sick of oil spills and drips damaging your garage floor. This mat's roomy dimensions of 96 by 48 inches provide sufficient coverage for vehicles, motorbikes, and even workshop equipment. Its 100% waterproof rubber backing guarantees that nothing seeps through to harm your concrete, epoxy, or tile floors, while its heavy-duty polyester top layer swiftly absorbs oil, brake fluid, coolant, and fuel. It functions similarly to a personal garage floor shield. One of the standout features is its durability. This mat is more environmentally friendly than disposable pads because it is made of tear-resistant polyester, which can be washed and used often and can survive hard use. Even beneath the weight of a parked automobile, the rough rubber base maintains it securely in place and prevents slips or shifts. Additionally, it has no chemical odor and is devoid of BPA and phthalates, making it suitable for play areas, basements, and garages. Cleaning is easy. Power wash or a fast hose down with soapy water will do the trick, and it will air dry quickly. Customizing it is also simple. Simply cut it to fit any place without worrying about it tearing. The mat's drawback is that despite its size and protection, it can be difficult to move or store. All things considered, it's a flexible and dependable approach to keep the floors in your garage, driveway, or basement clean and shielded from fluids, oil, and other stains. Number 3. Armorall Original XL Garage Floor Mat. The Armorall Original XL Garage Floor Mat is a game changer if you want to completely transform your garage while safeguarding your floors. This large mat, which measures 22 by 8 feet 10 inches, is made to protect your garage from oil spills, tire marks, and other messes. It also conceals stains and cracks, giving your garage a showroom quality appearance. It is ideal for converting your garage into additional living space, a fitness area, or even a children's playroom because the carpet-like surface feels soft underfoot. The waterproof backing of the mat guarantees that nothing seeps through to harm your floor, while the top layer is composed of absorbent, needle-punching polyester that easily handles liquids. Its non-slip base holds it in place, and installation is simple with the double-sided tape that comes with it. Simply roll it out, fasten it, and let any creases gradually go away. It is also quite adaptable. You don't have to worry about ragged edges when you trim it to fit in your garage. Cleaning is very simple. You can vacuum, hose off, spot clean, or even power wash it. A squeegee or wet vacuum can help speed up the drying process. The mat, which is made in the USA, has a top layer that contains more than 50% recycled fibers and, as a nice addition, is free of phthalates and BPA. Its weight, around 20 pounds, makes it difficult to handle and install, and its size makes storage challenging. All things considered, it's a robust, adaptable solution that enhances the appearance and feel of your garage while safeguarding your floors. Number 2. Panda Room Oversized Garage Mat. The Panda Room Oversized Garage Mat is a good choice if you want to safeguard your garage floor while keeping things tidy and manageable. It provides ample shelter for cars, motorcycles, golf carts, and even bigger recreational vehicles, measuring 8.8 by 22 feet. You won't have to worry about it moving around, even in windy circumstances or beneath heavy tires, because of its non-slip PVC backing. Oil, gasoline, coolant, or transmission fluids cannot seep through and harm your floor thanks to the waterproof layer, which is revolutionary. In essence, it's like adding a barrier to your garage. This mat is not limited to automobiles. It is ideal for any area that could get messy because it is adaptable enough to be positioned beneath trash cans, appliances, gardening tools, or lawn equipment. Oil, water, and other liquids are absorbed by the absorbent non-woven fabric on top, while leaks are prevented by the moisture-resistant PVC bottom. Cleaning is easy. Much as with a carpet at home, you can vacuum, hose it off, or spot clean. It has ample adaptability, as you can simply cut the mat to fit your garage, and the edges won't fray or crack, which is another useful feature. Wrinkles may show up at first, but they eventually go away on their own. The mat's weight of more than 20 pounds is a drawback since it might be difficult to move or alter. Nevertheless, this mat offers convenience and peace of mind to anyone looking for a long-lasting, reusable, and adaptable way to keep surfaces clean and safe. Number 1. Hutine Home Garage Floor Mat. The Hutine Home Garage Floor Mat makes maintaining a clean garage simple if you're sick of dealing with dirt, water puddles, and oil spills. Its size, which is 7 feet 11 inches by 18 feet, ensures that dirt, rain, snow, and oil droplets stay confined on the mat rather than spreading across the garage floor. It offers comprehensive coverage for automobiles. Every time you drive in, the 1.18-inch raised foam edges provide you peace of mind by acting as little barriers to keep things under control. This mat is made of durable, high-quality, waterproof PVC. The mat won't slide even under the weight of an automobile thanks to its non-slip surface. It is a dependable option for both regular parking and car repair because of the tear-resistant material's added endurance. It's easy to install. Simply unfold the mat, lay it flat, and use the accompanying Velcro strips to secure the corners. Cleaning is equally practical. Rinsing off mud, oil, or water is quick and simple because the mat comes with a squeegee broom. It can be rolled up for small storage when not in use. Its vast size makes it somewhat weighty to handle, and it takes some work to spread it out completely. When compared to cotton mats, some users might find the PVC surface less flexible. And there you have it, the best garage floor coverings that can turn your area from untidy to immaculate while shielding your floors from spills, oils, and normal wear. These mats can be used for everything from a full-size solution that transforms your garage into a tidy multi-purpose space to a heavy-duty mat for auto maintenance or a flexible mat for your driveway. Every choice from non-slip, waterproof designs to easily clean surfaces makes life a little easier in your garage much wiser. Upgrade your garage now rather than waiting for the next accident or stain. To ensure you never miss our most recent instructions for improving the efficiency, cleanliness, and safety of your house, hit the like button, subscribe to the Legit Pick channel, and enable notifications.